Hey guys, Merry Christmas, Happy Vlogmas. Oh, excuse me as I choke. Happy Vlogmas as I die. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, you know what this is, right? This is the Christmas house tour. You can tell this is not edited, right? Because that would have been edited out if I did edit. Okay, we're gonna start with my bedroom, and we're gonna go to the rest of the house, and then of course outside. We're gonna end up outside, so. If you're new to the channel and I made you laugh, hit the subscribe button to join the Diva Squad, become a member of the Diva Squad, by subscribing, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so this little elf is so cute. I'm gonna call her Mitzi. I don't know, sounds cute, right? From Hobby Lobby, and she's really pretty. So I might only put a few things in her room because I didn't want it to be like too cluttered in my room. This little gingerbread. I don't know where I got this gingerbread sign from, but let me turn that on really quick so you can see that really quick. But yeah, it's cute. Yeah. And then this is from Michael's a while ago. So I think that's it, right? For Christmas stuff? Yeah, for my room. So anyway, now we'll go to the rest of the upstairs. Oh, here we go. Happy holidays. I don't know if I got this for a while. Turn that on so you can see better. Okay, then we have this. Let me turn this on. Okay. This is from maybe Hobby Lobby or Michael's, one of those ones. And you wanna see me? Hi. Making an appearance. This is, we've had this for a while, but she's cute, right? Little angel, so pretty. I'm currently using Twisted Peppermints for shower gel. Hey, that's Christmas theme, right? And then for soap, I'm using a Christmas soap in ice gingerbread, which I'm obsessed with. The bathroom's kind of dirty, so I don't even sink it now. This one is just amazing. Smells like ginger snap cookies. It smells so good. Love, love, love it. And then, of course, for spray / bathroom spray, Twisted Peppermint for the spray. So anything Christmas, I'm going to include in this video. So there we go. We have St. Nick. It's all fancy and bougie in his gold little wardrobe. We stand, right? We have these little gift presents. The Santa skirt, very cute. White Christmas tree. Fabulous. With a little tinsel garland. We have Tinder. And then we have the actual garland. I don't know where all these are from, by the way. The tree is from At Home. The white tree. So, yeah. And then we have the angel. I don't know where the angel's from. That was from, I think, Hobby Lobby. I don't know where the angel's from, but she's cute, right? And then we have that angel. And then the nutcracker is from Hobby Lobby. That angel is really cute, too, right? Okay, anything else? Oh, anything else? Hello, the main thing, right? So we have these beautiful lights. So these lights, I believe, are from Walmart, I believe. Don't quote me on that. That's my wigs. Actually, let me show you this when the light's off. It looks better when the light's off. Yeah, there we go. You see, it's way better with the lights off. Yeah, it's our little library. Very cute. And then these signs from Dollar Tree. Elf, the elf made me do it. Let it snow. Oh dear, Christmas is here. Joy. And yeah, you know, the usual stuff. But these signs are great. Dollar Tree has the best signs. $1, and they're really nice quality. Really lovely. And then over here we have this sign. Ho, 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 Santa Claus. And then we have the gingerbread and the frosty. And these are from Hobby Lobby as well. Let me show you what the lighting's better on here. Let's turn the light off. On, not off. There we go. You can see it better there. Yeah, our neighbor's dog is constantly barking, so it is what it is at this point. Do you hear the dog barking in the background? This is from, I don't know where this is from. I think Michael's, maybe. This is so cute. Gingerbread house, so cute. Yeah, this one is called, I believe, in Santa. And then, of course, this one. And this is the matching doormat you'll see outside. Maybe it's cold outside. We have a matching doormat. Welcome mat. Very cute. Okay, that's everything upstairs. So now we're going to... Oh, this it is. I'm using for body spray Christmas cookies. Oh, my God, amazing. But don't use too much. Others make you gag. Hershey Kisses Lip Balm. Christmas cookies cream for the hands, and then I use the Merry Mango for the pocket back, and then my Christmas glass from Dollar Tree. Okay, I think that's it for inside for the upstairs. So now let's go downstairs. Okay, that's my feet. Okay, go downstairs. Let's start with this little garland here. Very cute. We have the advent calendar. Very pretty. It's from Target, in case you're wondering. We have these cute lambs. We have this Christmas tree. Some lights. You see, it looks really pretty with light off right there. Isn't that cute? And we have this little doorstep or doorknob decoration. Very cute. Okay, I'll do this tree before I forget. This tree is everything, right? Fabulous. I love this tree. Beautiful. So this is our downstairs tree. So that was the upstairs tree, the white one, and this is the downstairs tree. Absolutely fantastic. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then another tree skirt, of course, from Dollar Tree. And then that little hat set I left while I was dropping off the gifts. And then here is fabulous too. Look at that. Poinsettias, they're not real, by the way. Poinsettias, I believe, are from Michael's. And then we have little ornaments there. The stocking's already getting filled up a little bit. We have the wreath. I don't know where the wreath's from. And all these little knickknacks. The little tree, the little foxes, the deer. Yeah, very cute. So, I mean, this time of the year we go all out because it's just the time of year to do it, right? It's the best time of year. This little table is set. We have the snowflake tablecloth. Ignore that. The holly berries, very pretty. The little Santa over there. Let's see. Oh, we have this. Oh, how cute! I think some Hallmark. Isn't that adorable? That's precious, right? Up close of that, and then of course the angels over there, and then we have this, which is gorgeous. We have these are from, I believe, Europe. And then, oh, here, well, you can see it enough. These little snowballs, jingle balls, whatever. I will say, Nick, these are from Target, but from years ago. I think we had this like 10 years. These cone trees. And then the little elf, and I don't know, really cute stuff. So, oh, as I like knock things over. Okay, so now this is the awkward part. So I'm gonna put my boots on really quick and then we'll go outside. So bear with me for like a second as I put my boots on. Oh, I can see my toes. Look, my toes are all pretty. All pretty. Toenail polish. It's shellac. I don't know what number, I forgot, but it's all like glittery. Not the best lighting, but I don't know. Anyway. So we're gonna go outside, and then I want to show you the outside lights, which are really pretty too. And then we'll end this. Okay. Go outside. It's kind of chilly. Okay. So let's start with the garage. Okay, let me back up. Okay. And those twinkle. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay. Now let's go to the... Okay, so from the bush. Very pretty. Gorgeous. Very pretty. Okay. I want to show you this deer. This deer is my favorite. I don't know where we got this deer from. I've had it for a while. And then this year is new. We put the blue lights on the stem of the tree, which we haven't done that before, so that's new. And then we have the little snowflake lights, so pretty. This deer grazing is just gorgeous. I love that. And the blue lights on the bush. I don't think we did it last year. I think we did a bit differently. and then by the door, and then I'll show you the wreath up close, and then I'll show you up close there. And then nativity scene, and then this, I love this too. This is the candy canes. You can't really see the candy canes very well because it's too dark, but the gumdrop lights are attached to the candy canes. The candy canes, I think, are from the Dollar Tree a couple years ago, I think. Really, really pretty. Right, little walkway. So pretty. Very, very pretty. And this is the other bush. I'll walk around the edge in a minute so you'll see up close. But yeah, I just want to show you this wreath and then doormat. The doormat, I don't know if you're going to see very well because, yeah, it's just this baby. It's cold outside. There's like so much going on, like sirens and stuff. Yeah, you really can't see this part really well. Oh well. Sorry. Anyway, but this is a nativity scene. I think this is really pretty. Yeah, it's kind of gorgeous, right? We stand a good nativity scene. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to show you this part up close. There we go. The bushes. And then this window. Really, really pretty. So yeah, that's kind of like how it looks from this angle. If you want to see it, but yeah. Okay, well that's pretty much it, you guys. So thanks for watching this year's Christmas house tour. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and another episode of Vlogmas will be up tomorrow. Subscribe if you're new. Bye, guys.